Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. And Impress Computers is a full-service IT support company based here in Katy, but we support everybody all the way from the east side up in Beaumont up to the west side past Patterson. So if you're a small business and you're looking for IT support, we're the company to go to. At the moment, we've got a T440 Dell server that we're setting up for a company. And what we do is we set everything up here at the shop, we get it all programmed, and then we go on site and we start the migration. We do this so we can minimize downtime, so that when you move from one server to the next, we make it as seamless as possible. We've also got a team of professionals that are constantly monitoring your network and making sure that everything is running smoothly. And again, we want to make sure you don't have downtime or slow time, and we're quick to respond to tickets. Remember, we always answer our phone calls, and when you put in that ticket, our guys are responding to it within minutes. So if you've got a business and you want to make sure that you're protected and you don't have downtime, give us a call, 281-647-9977.